7, be considerate of other visitors. I have a whole video about trail etiquette right up here. If you encounter livestock or someone on a horse, yield to them and go to the downhill side. Speak quietly to the rider as they go by. If you're stopping for any reason, such as double checking directions or taking a call, because some people take them on the trail, or you're stopping to take a break and have a snack and whatnot, then get off of the trail and move to a durable surface. Most people prefer to hear natural sounds when they're out in nature, and so if you are enjoying your music, use headphones. Use headphones if you're doing anything else that's making an unnatural sound. Keep any cell phone use discreet, and also try to reduce the use of any kind of bright lights. If you are wearing a headlamp and you're coming into camp, keep it down. Really try to avoid shining it into other people's campsites. Okay, yeah, I think it's fair to say this is where they want you to camp.